I love the fact that this power pitcher system is like having 4 devices in one. I don't need a separate blender now to make my Friday night margaritas, and smoothie bowls are as easy as the touch of a button. Nor do I need a separate food processor to chop onions or make cookie dough. This device does it all for me, saving me time and space in my kitchen. The 72-ounce power pitcher will make you rethink what a blender can do. This revolutionary pitcher is a blender, a food processor, a smoothie bowl maker, and a dough mixer all in one. Use it to crush ice to snow and make resort-style frozen drinks like margaritas, pina coladas, and daiquiris. You can also use it to create thick, creamy, multi-serve smoothie bowls for you and your family. Chop your favorite veggies for fresh salads and more. And make up to 1.5 pounds of batters and cookie, pizza, and bread doughs in as little as 45 seconds. Having the ability to crush, chop, and make smoothie bowls and dough in one pitcher is not only unique, it's super convenient. I can not only make my favorite blended drinks, but can now unlock smoothie bowls and precision food processor results with ease. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make delicious chocolate chip cookies in the power pitcher. Before we start processing, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. We're going to start by installing the dough blade into the pitcher. You want to use the dough blade when you're making batters, cookie, bread, and pizza doughs. The total crushing and chopping blade should be used when chopping and when blending smoothies, frozen drinks, smoothie bowls, and dips. Next, we're going to place our sugars, butter, vanilla extract, and eggs in the pitcher. Now install the lid and make sure you press down on the handle until you hear it click and lock into place. Then install the pitcher on the base. The handle should be aligned slightly to the right and the pitcher should be oriented so the lock symbols are visible on the motor base. Rotate the pitcher clockwise until it clicks into place. We're going to use the Dough Auto IQ program, so the machine is going to do the work for us. Select Dough on the control panel. Press the start and stop to begin the program. When the program is finished, remove the lid. Press the release button on the lid to unlock. Now we'll add our dry ingredients. Reinstall the lid and run the Dough Auto IQ program again. When the program is complete, remove the pitcher from the base, twisting counterclockwise to unlock. Carefully remove the lid and the dough blade. Now stir in the chocolate chips evenly with a wooden spoon or a spatula. Lastly, form the dough into 1-inch balls and place on a baking sheet, evenly spaced. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes or until golden brown. And voila! Quick, easy cookies made right in my blender. Who knew it could be that easy? To get this recipe and more delicious inspiration, join the official Ninja Foodi family community on Facebook and visit us at ninjakitchen.com.